Hi friends, today I am showing you the Yepami bubble machine. This is a auto bubble maker solution for toddlers and kids. So you can see this is a 5-hole bubble gun, good for kids 3+. These are the instructions given on the package. Inside the box you can see that it comes with a battery, 3 AA batteries, 3 pack of the bubble concentrate solution. So there are 3 pack, 10 ml each. And 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries, the bubble gun and the mixture bottle. So the quality of the plastic is good with these cute wings and the bottle. So it's a nice design with a big blower fan inside. So you can see the design is like a bird. This is the pipe to put in the bubble solution. So this is the battery chamber where you will put in the batteries. So you have to just click in the one press outwards, then put in these 3 AA batteries. So just be mindful like how this will go. I'm just checking it, the lights are on, it's working. So I'm closing this battery cover. For the solution it says mix in a 1:5 ratio, or this says 70 ml water with a 10 ml solution. So I'm just putting this in the bottle and putting approx 60-70 ml water and mix it. So let me just prepare this water bubble mixture in the ratio. On the site it says 1:5. On the packet it says mix 10 ml with the 70 ml water. Then I'm just swinging it to mix it properly, and then I'm putting it in this pipe and rotate it. This is a leak proof design. I'm just trying to push it for some time because it will take some time to suck up that bubble solution into the pipe, goes into that bubble machine and stuff. So once it's done, you can see the bubbles start coming up. So this is a nice pressure, the bubbles, it's coming really great, it's nice, can be used anywhere you want, in the children's party or with the kids play or anything. You can use your own bubble mixture as well. So this is the complete set. This is the features of this bubble machine and the size, and this is what comes with the features.